my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video you guys are going to be with me cleaning my closet. I need to clean it, I need to reorganize it. Like, I just want to change it up because I'm tired of the setup that I have right now. It's not working for me, I'm not liking it, so we're gonna clean it together and you guys are gonna help me reorganize all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, let's go ahead with this cleaning with me. Quickly show you guys this cart that I have, because I usually put like my extra makeup that I cannot fit either in my Alex drawers or in my vanity. So I got this cart right here, and I got this one, I think it was at Sam's Club, and I love this cart because the days that I'm filming, I usually put all the makeup on the top that I'm gonna use, like my mirror and all that stuff, and I just drag it to my filming room because it just makes it so much easier than me carrying everything in my hand. Like, that's how I used to do it, and I'm telling you guys, it was just so hard, so difficult. So I got this cart and it's just like been my life. Like, I love this cart, so I definitely need to reorganize it. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Like, this cart is a mess. Like, I have things sitting on here, I have makeup down here, and then I just have miscellaneous stuff in the bottom. But this cart, I'm telling you guys, is a lifesaver. So if you guys are looking for something to put like extra makeup and stuff, like, I definitely recommend this cart. Like, it's just so nice and it's so good to organize all this stuff, and you get like little trays and you could just move them from side to side, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and reorganize this because it's just a big mess. And then I went to the dollar store to get like little organizers and stuff. So I definitely recommend picking these up because these are lifesavers. Like, I love these. These are so good to organize your makeup. I got all of these like in my Alex drawers. Like, I use them as little dividers. If you guys seen like the declutter with me and stuff like that, you see that I have them in here. So this is such a good thing, and it's only $1. So, like, you cannot go wrong with organizers for $1. So I'm definitely going to be using these for the makeup palettes that I have here, just to organize it. I usually leave this one empty just because this is where I'm going to put like my makeup that I need to film with and all that stuff. So I usually leave it empty, and right now, like, I just have stuff everywhere. So let's go ahead and jump into organizing this, and then we will be done and I'll show you guys the finished closet. So let's go ahead and organize this. so this is the finished closet. So I only clean this side of the closet. I have not cleaned that side of the closet. These are my clothes. I am gonna be doing like a full video of decluttering my clothes again, just because I like to do it like for every season and stuff like that, so make sure you look out for that. But this is the finished closet. I reorganized my little cart for makeup, because I had all my palettes all scattered there, and now I have everything organized. And then I have my purses there, extra makeup that I just like to display, lipsticks, body lotions, and then all my perfumes, and of course my Alex drawers. And yeah, I like the way it came out. It's very convenient for me to have it like this. Like I said, I am going to do like a whole declutter my clothes, because I need to. It's desperate. Like, I definitely need to do it. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this organize with me video. If you guys enjoy those kind of videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, so it lets me know that you guys like the organizing, like decluttering and all those types of videos, and I will film more of those. I am going to be doing a clothing declutter, so look out for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.